Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence. Today's lesson is all about English dialogues for cafes and restaurants. If you love dining out or grabbing coffee, these phrases will help you feel confident in any cafe or restaurant setting. We'll go over common conversations from ordering food to paying the bill. So, let's dive in. 1. At the cafe. Let's start with a typical cafe scene. A customer. Hi, can I see the menu, please? The barista. Of course, here you go. Customer. I'd like a cappuccino and a slice of chocolate cake, please. VAR barista. Would you like that for here or to go? Customer. For here, please. A barista. That'll be $8.5. Please wait a moment. This is a simple and polite way to order at a cafe. 2. Asking about the menu. Here's how to ask questions about the menu. Customer. What's the most popular drink here? A barista. Our iced caramel latte is very popular. A customer. I'll try that. Can you make it less sweet? O barista. Sure. Anything else? Customer. No, that's all. Thank you. Asking about popular items is a great way to try new things. 3. At the restaurant. Making a reservation. If you want to book a table, here's how the conversation might go. A customer. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner. A host. Sure. For how many people? Customer. For 4 people at 7 p.m. The host. We have a table available at that time. May I have your name, please? Customer. It's Alex. So host. Great, Alex. Your table is booked. See you at 7 p.m. Always be clear about the number of people and the time when making a reservation. 4. Ordering food. Here's a typical dialogue when ordering food. Waiter. Good evening. Are you ready to order? And customer. Yes. I'd like the grilled salmon, please. Waiter. Would you like a side salad or fries with that? A customer. A side salad, please. Waiter. Anything to drink? Customer. I'll have a glass of water. Waiter. Thank you. Your order will be out shortly. This is a polite and straightforward way to place your order. 5. Asking for recommendations. If you're not sure what to order, you can ask for suggestions. Customer. What do you recommend here? Waiter. Our signature pasta is very popular. Customer. That sounds good. I'll have that. Waiter. Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink with that? Customer. I'll take a lemonade, please. Don't be shy to ask for recommendations. Servers are usually happy to help. 6. Dealing with special requests. Here's how to make special requests or clarify ingredients. Customer. Excuse me. Is this dish vegetarian? A waiter. Yes, it is. It's made with fresh vegetables and no meat. Customer. Great. Could you make it less spicy, please? Waiter. Of course, we can adjust it for you. Always communicate clearly if you have dietary preferences or restrictions. 7. Asking for the bill. When you're ready to leave, here's how to ask for the bill. A customer. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Waiter. Sure. I'll bring it right over. Waiter. Here's your bill. Would you like to pay by cash or card? See customer. I'll pay by card. Waiter. Thank you. Have a great day. This is a polite way to handle payment at the end of your meal. 8. Compliments and feedback. If you enjoyed your meal, it's always nice to give feedback. Customer. The food was amazing. Please thank the chef. A waiter. Thank you so much. I'll pass on your compliments. And if something isn't right. A customer. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Waiter. I'm so sorry. Let me fix that for you right away. Giving polite feedback helps improve the experience for everyone. And that's it for today's lesson on English dialogues for cafes and restaurants. These dialogues will help you feel confident the next time you're dining out. Practice them regularly, and you'll master English conversations in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.